Hi and welcome. Let's take a deeper look into the Premium Bundle. The bundles include more than 90 Ableton Project Files. That's almost 10 fully editable albums. The PML Sample Pack Collection with more than 7,000 single sounds, more than 20 preset packs with over 3,000 single presets, the MIDI Pack Collection with over 1,500 MIDI files and song starters for idea generation, and the PML Music Production Academy with around 30 full-length online courses. And now, meet your tutor Francois and take a deeper look inside.
Alright, let's take a look inside the Premium Bundle. If we download the Premium Bundle and we unzip everything and load the folder into our Ableton, we can see we have it organized into Ableton Project Files, Courses, MIDI Packs, Preset Packs, and Sample Packs. And let's go through them one by one. So an Ableton project is a fully arranged track. You have lots of MIDI tracks here for instrument parts and lots of MIDI tracks up here for our drum parts. For example, on this sound, we can tweak each parameter to change the sound, and also we can go into the MIDI files and completely change the notes and adjust them to another track, for example. So for the most part, this is not printed audio, this is editable. And everything can be used, changed, and copied into another project and adjusted to fit another track. So you can take out parts and make them your own. So everything is categorized in these Ableton Project Files folders into different genres, for example, EDM, or house, or techno. And the number of editable full tracks here is similar to like 10 albums. So imagine you have 10 albums, but you can go through each track and pick out each element and change it, make it your own, and use it in your own music. And you can also reverse engineer the whole production process, learn and pick up new tricks for your own productions. So here we are on the courses platform. You'll have access to around 30 full online courses with an average length of around 5 hours each. And this is what a PML start to finish course looks like from the inside. And in this course, we are making a melodic house track completely from start to finish, only using Ableton Live 10, no third-party plugins. By the way, your course download files will always be found in the beginning of the course in a video called Setup and Downloading the Files. So you'll be provided with each sample, preset, and project file used in this course. So we're starting with a blank Ableton project, and then we are working our way through the drums, different sounds, and the chords and melodies. Afterwards, in part 3, we are putting together the arrangement for the different song parts like build-ups, break parts, and drop parts. Also adjusting automation curves and making nice transitions. Then we are sweetening everything to taste and have a bit more tweaking going on before we enter the mixing and mastering stage, where we are mixing and mastering everything properly to achieve our final version of the track. Let's take a look at an example video. Shift arrow key down. And select them again. This is C and our 5th G, and we're just playing this power chord here and play it again right here. I'm selecting both notes and I'm copying them over. E and B right here. Okay, so that's the part 12, adding vibes, saw chords to this track of this start to finish course. By the way, most of these courses are available in a resolution up to 4K, but you can also set your own preferred resolution here in the settings. By getting this bundle with your one-time payment, you'll be provided with your personal login to this full Academy platform where you'll have lifetime access. And in a general overview, you'd be starting with the basics of Ableton in a beginner's course and then go to songwriting like harmony and chord progressions, learn chord progressions for electronic music producers, learn how to write melodies for electronic music producers, then continue with courses on groove and drum grooves and also how to arrange your tracks in the arrangement course. And then you'll be able to go through different start to finish courses where we are making complete tracks from scratch in Ableton, going through everything step by step. And after that, I recommend to take a mixing course and a mastering course, and then maybe go through some of those masterclasses on mixing and mastering different genres, or how to mix a track with the best plugins available. And once you've done that, I think it's time to learn one of those synths from the inside out. So every parameter explained and sound design sessions, making different sounds with Serum, with the Arturia Mini, or with Sylenth, or with Massive. All right, so much for the courses platform. Let's go back to Ableton. Sample packs. We have the collection of PML sample packs. That's more than 7,000 sounds, and I have them organized into 3 different categories. This is our signature drum sample series D Premium, and we have the Premium 1 to 4 in here. These are the drum samples we use all the time in our own tracks and in hundreds of YouTube tutorials. And we have one-shots and loops. For example, great kick sounds. One of my favorite kicks is 18 from D Premium 2. I use this all the time. And below there are more specific kits for different styles, and also atmosphere and texture and soundscape kits to fill out your tracks. Quickly going over to MIDI packs, more than 1,500 MIDI files for you to drag and drop, organized into different categories. Let's go to melodies and chords, for example, and scroll down. We have bass, arp, and chords. Let's pick up a chord progression, for example, 26 Moody, and we can simply drag and drop it into our project onto a MIDI track with an instrument loaded. And no, play it. So there you have drag and drop MIDI files as song starters or for generating ideas. Preset packs. The premium bundle contains all in all more than 20 preset packs with over 3,000 presets for synths like Sylenth 1, Serum, Massive, Diva, and the Arturia Mini. They're organized by the synth, and if you open it up, you can see different preset packs for Massive here, for example, with Boiler Production 1 and 2, and most of them will also have accompanying MIDI files for each preset. So for the bass sounds, you always have one example MIDI file to play your preset sound with. So you'll be able to find lots of great starting points for your sound design just right here. So this collection of sounds and courses offers a quick and deep workflow, and that's also how I'm using it every day. Feel free to check out the full list of content on the product page, and let's get started.